Hey, good morning. You want to follow me outside? Today I have to go and check out the damage if there's any on our properties because it was so windy yesterday and I hate to see what's all over my grass because it's garbage pickup day today. Let's go see. Come on. Ugh. I better find some gloves. I'm sure I've got some garbage. Ooh, it's all over the pickup. There we go. There's some garbage there that wasn't there yesterday. Look at that. Nice. Garbage everywhere. And it's raining. Let's go pick up the garbage from the wind. Everything else is strewn all over the place. So that's my neighbor's yard. Don't put your garbage out at nighttime, people. That's not good. Now we gotta pick it all up. Neighborhood, all neighborhood, not next door neighbor. I love my next door neighbors. So that's it. I just picked up the garbage that was all over my grass, and it's not even mine. It was a windy night last night. The recycle was picked up, and now I got all my neighbors all over recycle at my house. Neighbors, put it out in the morning or pack it tightly. Neighborhood neighbors, not my next door neighbors. Love ya. Take care. Thanks for the exercise. Mwah. Till next time.